Have a good day. Appreciate all the hard work on the Napa Chevy, fellas. Nice and clean. Execute our race. Put ourselves in position. Got to be there at the end.
Have a nice, smooth day, and try to be there when it counts, fellas. Thank you.
All right, bud. Remember our game plan. Mental lock in. Let's go do it.
Let's go racing at Daytona, boys!
Guys sure are moving around a lot, left and right. I mean, our car is actually driving pretty good so far. I don't know if anybody else has handling issues or not. So pretty good contact from the nose to the 17 and obviously the back.
So I think we just got to fix that bumper bar back there. That's what was hanging down, and we'll be fine.
Oh, here we go. They wrecked again.
Walking down. Keep rolling.
Slide into grass here.
Oh, it's okay.
You're still rolling.
Change the tires and make sure nothing rubs. This is all we've got. This is our last chance right here. Just get it cleared. Good to go. Take 3.
We'll try again.
2 to go. Green flag. Oh, Boyer gets turned.
Oh, we're wrecking again. We had such a run going. Son of a gun. Had a hell of a run right there.
Yeah, you're not kidding. We just pulled it in the garage. It's done. Blew up.
That's it, fellas. Oil cooler's done. We'll just have to get it back out of here.